Hello friends, very good evening. This is Bala here from Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly make subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. We reaching near about 3K subscribers on yesterday. So that is why I'm taking an initiative of my subscribers to provide you such a trading opportunity using the charting scanner that I was made a video yesterday, and I got a lot of comment, and most of the comments are encouraging me. Someone who asking about the doubt how we can do like that, so that I'm going to explain in this video. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly make subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategy. In our last video, I discussed about the method where we are going to find out the trade opportunity at the lowest level or even at the highest level. So that is the thing which I discussed about my last video. So the simple logic behind the trade when we are planning a buy opportunity at 30 days lower level and we are planning a sell opportunity at 30 days higher level. So that is what the main idea where we made the video yesterday. Someone was asking about the doubt. Now this video may be the doubt clearance, as well as again I'm going to explain the strategy very clear way, right? So what we are planned on the trade, the market is started moving down and down. So let's show you that if the stock is keep on moving down, okay, almost the stock was trading in a 30 days lowest level. So this may be the candle where it is forming. Previously the stock was trading below lower low, it making it the lower low, and it is started falling down. Almost 30 days it is falling down, right? This is the day where maybe the 29th. Okay, let us assume. So what I'm going to explain the concept, and again the stock it's made a low from this particular point. This is what the another low at the day is 30th of the day. So almost 30-day low. This is what 30 days low at the point. So previously market started moving higher and lower, and this what the 29th day, and this is the 30th day lowest level, and this is what the lowest low of compared to past 30 days. Past 30 days lowest low, which I am finding out based on the charting scanner, which I created as code that will find out those stocks which is trading today as a or it makes the low, it is comparative past 30 days, that should be the lowest low. So that will find out a stock. Now how I can plan a trade? So even the stock may continue its trend down, there is a possibilities. So even it may continue is trend down, right? Or the stock can reverse from the low also. There is a two possibilities. Even if the stock is started falling down and down, it may continue its trend, even it may making a new lower lows, and even it is keep on going down. Or some stocks may taken a reversal from a monthly low. So that is my main concept which I applied for a 30 days. So 1 month low, some stocks are ready to reverse from the low. How we are going to find out that reversal? That is what we are discussing here, and how it is going to form a reversal setup, right? When the next day or 31st day, if any candle which forms like this, if any candle which forms like this, okay, so here we are not finding out the stock is not broken that 29th day highest level, correct? So if the stock crossing above 29th day highest level, we can expect a bullish reversal, or there is a reversal point at the lower level. If any stock which forms like this, even it may continue the trend again down. Okay, you got it? But at any point of time, if you check that now this may be the new 30th day low. This should be a new 30th or a 30 days low, right? So if you are focusing here, this candle is our 29th day, correct? So now whenever any candle which closes above the 29th day, for example, if a candle forms like this, it is closing over and above this 29th day, got it? So previously market was moving down, correct? So previously market is started moving down. There is a reversal possibility which we are expecting. There is no reversal at this point. Again it started moving down and making a new 30 day. So this 30 days low should not be valid because the low is broken. This is not a valid 30 days low because we don't have an opportunity and also it broken. This 30 days low does not have any validity. So this is what the new low where we are going to focus as our entry point. Sorry, that is what a valid low. After making a valid low, any candle which closes above previous day, that is what 29th day, right? This may be the 30th of that 30th day and 29th day when the market closes above this level. So we will focus high of that candle should be buy, and the lowest low, that is 30 days low, should be a stop loss. So we are waiting for the reversal opportunity based on that candlesticks pattern, or not even candlesticks pattern. This is what a simple method we are following to buy at the lowest level. That is what main important. So for example, there is a difference between this high and low should be 20 points. So my stop loss should be 20 rupees. If I want to take 1,000 rupees risk on this trade, I'll go for a 50 stocks, 50 number of quantity. Okay, so if I'm going to take a 2,000, I can go for a 100 quantity. So whenever we do the trade, we know only the entry point as well as stop loss point. No one can exactly tell you the target because no one knows that. Even I don't know about the target because market, if it's a trending, yeah, 100 rupees stock can double in a 2 days. 1,000 rupees stock, even it moves 80-90% in a single day. So how we can predict the target? No one knows to predict the target. So we can fix our target based on our risk reward ability. So I am taking a 20-point risk in this trade. So I will wait for another 20 point as a target. So that this does not mean the stock will reach this level and again it is coming down. That is not a meaning of that, because this trade I was taken at 20 rupees stop loss. So at least I will wait for a 20 rupees profit. That is called 1:1. Or someone who taken the 1:2 risk, they may be waiting for a 40 rupees target. But no one can exactly tell this as a target. So based on my risk and reward ability, I can hold the position up to my 1:1 or 1:2. The target and stop loss level is absolutely based on what the risk we are taken. So no one exactly tell you what is the exact target for the stocks. They may be assumed based on the risk reward ratio. That is what important. So I have a comment up though about that, how to fix the target. No one knows the target. Even the stock can move very big also, or even it cannot move. So based on our risk, what we have taken, so we know entry point before the trade, and stop loss also we know before the trade. And if the stop loss triggers how much I'm going to lose, that I know very well before entering into the trade. So these things which I know, from there I derive my target too. So if I'm taking a 10 rupees risk, I can make a 10 rupees as my target. Let's show you that with the examples. So lot more stock. So now I hope you got the concept is very clear here. And let's show you, for example, so let's see Jindal Steel. If you are thinking this may be the 30 days low, so this candle should be a 30 days low. So whenever market closed above this 30 days previous day, this is 30th day, this is 29th day. This is making a low of somewhere around 357.6, and then the previous day is 395.5. When the market closes above 395.5, here it is closing at this point 396.9. So this I should be my entry point. 396.9 is my entry point. For that I should maintain a stop loss of 357. So having big risk on this trade from this lowest level to this entry point. Here I have entered. This is my stop loss. So if you have higher risk, we simply ignore the trade. Don't want to take such a kind of risk. Correct. Let you show some other stocks. So I hope you got a clear. This is 30th day and this is 29th day. So whenever market closes about 29th day, previous trend may be getting reversal is possible, highest level. So that is I am discussing with here right now. So let's show you Hara Pharma. It started moving down and down. If you compare Hara Pharma from here, it started moving down and finally hit the low of 24th August. If you are checking these stock, every day it is comes under the scanner. Maybe this may be a 30 days low, again 30 days low, again 30 days low. So every day may be the 30 days low. One point of time it may started reversing, right? So here the final low is made, but I am waiting for the close above this level where I get the closing at this candle. I should buy over above this candle with the stop loss below this level. 740, somewhere around 670, 680 something. So this much of risk is if you are ready to able to take this risk, you can enter into the trade. This is a simple method where we find out there is a lower level. So if you are buying at this new low. So when I try to buy at lowest level, there should be the lowest level. And according to our candlesticks pattern, there is a trade opportunity at this lowest level, which forms a hammer kind of candle. Once it is broken, we may stop loss below this level and it is moving higher. Got it? So this is why I'm talking about the 30 days lower level reversal. But if you want to check this reversal on daily basis, so manually checking all the stocks, it is not possible. If I'm going to check all the stocks whether it is making a low like that, it's not possible. So that is why we have the screener. So that will simply tell us what is exactly is going on to that particular stock. Okay, so that 30 days low. If I hit the scanner, it will tell me what are the stock which form like this. Previously on August 31st, we have some stock that is what AU Bank. So let's I go for that. That is, we have added that ADX value is greater than 25 because if ADX value is greater than 25, the stock is trending. So reversal also be possible very high, quick, and that is why I mentioned the ADX value is above 25. Let's take AU Bank on 31st August. So let's know what happened on that. This is the biggest low on 31st August. The stock from 1300 to it made a low of 1000, almost 250 points down, and we waiting for a 29th candle to close. Still it is not able to close. There is no trade opportunity. Market was very flat, and again whenever it breaks this low should be the new 30 days low, or it should be closed over there. So we are focusing for a buy opportunity. And previously any other stock which forms the kind of pattern. So this one is not giving you such a great opportunity immediately. If you are waiting for a 10-15 days, there is a good opportunity. For example, let's I'm going to take a 3rd August, RBL and LIC Housing Finance. LIC Housing Finance, it is keep on going down. If you track LIC Housing Finance, it is daily coming to 30 days low because it is started from here almost 500. It is keep on going down. So when I check the last one which comes on 3.8, so where maybe 3.8, this one should be the 30 days low, and previous high should be broken. That is the previous day high should be broken. After that high, can you see that 3rd of August it made a 30 days low. After next candle it crossing above that high, it should be closed, but it is not able to close. Then again it is started. But even though if you are focusing for a buy above that level, but the not able to break, and again it make a low. This may be the new 30 days low. We should wait for above this level, correct? And now while checking that on the day of 11th August, again the stock will come the same one. 11th August, will I go for 11th August? 100% this stock will be in the scanner. You see LIC Housing Finance again in the scanner on 11/8. And 11/8, after that again the stock started moving down, down, down. On 23rd August, it makes another new lower level on 23rd August. If I check with the 23rd August, again LIC will come. This one. Can you see the rest? LIC Housing Finance. Can you see that? Okay. This time I find out this stocks 3 more times. 1 no opportunity, 2 no opportunity. Third time, this may be the 30 days low, and this should be 29th day where it is closing above here, and we are going to focus buy above 390 with the stop loss below somewhere 365. So 25 point as my stop loss. After that, from 390 the stock is started reversed, and now it is trading 424 like. So here 1:1, it is giving me a profit. That is the thing I am explaining you. And the reversal at the lowest level, and it moves towards somewhere around 427 reversal point where we find out. But if you are using a candlesticks pattern, we find out there is a reversal pattern at this point. Got it? This is the candlesticks pattern, like a engulfing as well as inside out, like many more things is present. So there is a reversal point where we can expect at this point. So there is a reversal. So when the stock is trading at near about the lowest level of the day, or that is a day or a month, we will find out a buying opportunity. Our loss should be very small, but profit should be very big, because if the stock is started reversed at the point, we may be getting such a good or great opportunity to make a money. That is the main logic I'm going to applying here. But you can easily apply this strategy in equity trading to take a small risk, and even 1 share, 2 shares. That is also you can practice. Once you get such a good information and idea how we can apply this strategy, then you can do with your own risk. So that is the main importance where I am discussing with you right now, and I hope this may be the useful thing, and this I am taking based on my view. Right, you can practice it out, and I have shared this scanner on my Telegram channel if you want to make use of it. And thanks for watching this video, and again I thank you to you all. We are reaching more than 3,000 subscribers. I was happy. We are doing more, and if you are encouraging, your encouraging is good, and we are doing even more better than right now. Thank you for watching my videos. If you like the video, you can like and share to your friends. If you have any questions, just comment on the comment box. We will discuss about your questions on our next video. Thank you for watching this, and thank you very much.